Okay, hello YouTube. Thanks for watching. Edward here. So in this video, I'm going to do a review of LeadsLeap. Okay, and the reason why I'm decided to do another LeadsLeap review is because I recently did a post on my Facebook and about my results. Okay, and I was getting signups from this platform into LiveGood. All right, and I'm able to prove that. But the point is, a bunch of people joined, and I want to welcome them aboard. So a whole lot of new people joined my LeadsLeap platform here, which is my marketing tool. This is part of my toolbox here, guys. This is not my main primary business, but this is my go-to marketing tool that allows me to help me to market my LiveGood business. LiveGood is my number one primary business, but this platform simply allows me to market my businesses, okay, and allows you to market your businesses. And my channel is all about helping marketers in general, entrepreneurs like you, who are on my channel looking for tips and tricks. And this is a great platform to use. So, guys, this platform not only allows us to advertise our primary businesses, as you can see the advertisements over here and up here and various parts, around this whole platform, and it works. And I've been able to get signups, and I'm talking about not just pre-enrollees or leads or whatever. I'm talking about upgrades as well, using this platform simply by placing ads on this platform. And I'm also going to talk about the share codes that I'm going to be giving out, because the great thing about this, and the reason why I love this platform compared to any other, and trust me, guys, I've used so many of the other platforms. For example, GetResponse, Aweber, Power Lead System, Builderall, ClickFunnels, you name it. I mean, they're either too expensive, they're either outdated or clunky and buggy, or they're either very difficult to duplicate and or because they're pricey, and there's although they sometimes sell the free version of their platform, it isn't anything of the sort. It's not a free system at all. Not that I'm looking for, and not that I'm interested in promoting free stuff. People might like free stuff, and but I'm not looking for freebie seekers. At the end of the day, if you want the good stuff, normally you would have to pay for it. But with this platform, there is a good, honest, free level that actually gives, a great set of services, even for the free member, which is what I like about this, because it gives people an opportunity to really test this platform out. And if they would rather, just stick with the free version, that's fine. And a lot of people have. But there are a lot of extra features, and you get, you simply get what you pay for. But with this, you actually, in my opinion, you actually get more than what you pay for. They really over deliver, even for the free members. So it is very duplicatable. And the other thing I love about this platform is it's shareable in the sense that you can actually, everything you create, or anything I create, as maybe your upline or whatever, in terms of pages, lead capture pages, funnel systems, or whatever, anything I create, I can share with you, all right, using a simple share code. And we're going to talk about some of the share codes that I've created, some of the different pages. You just copy a little share code into your account, and these pages become yours, okay? And then you can also share them on to your team, So we've got lots of different, product pages, funnels, share codes of different types. I've even got sort of lead magnets that you can use and share out, and so many other little pages that have helped me and my team. Because everything that I create, I want to be able to provide to my team. So that's why I love this platform. All right, and not only that, this platform is very network marketing friendly. And the reason why that's important to note is because platforms like Aweber or GetResponse are not particularly network marketing friendly. Now, although a lot of network marketers use them without any problems at all, I've had people who have been, without any warning, have been blocked from there, and they lost their entire list and everything. Now, obviously, you have to be responsible. You can't spam, and you have to follow rules, and they have their own terms and conditions. But just letting you know that LeadsLeap is network marketing friendly, but that's not an invitation to spam your list. Okay, you provide value and you support your team. That's the important thing. But you can rest assured, if you are a pro member of this platform, you don't have to spend a lot of money, and like in other platforms, you end up spending more and more and more each month. Your fee goes up as your mailing list increases, which I understand, I respect, because if your business is growing, chances are you're making more money. Therefore, it's a way for those platforms to make more money. But with LeadsLeap, they charge you a flat fee, okay, and even if your mailing list grows, you don't have to pay more, okay. But the good news is that this platform also makes money by allowing us to refer people, and we also make a commission out of that. So yes, we do earn money by referring people to this platform. So we do have an incentive to recommend this platform, and that's really what I'm doing here. I'm being honest with you guys. This is not my primary business. It's simply part of my toolbox, which I find one of my essential tools that I use to help me to build my LiveGood business. But yeah, it is an income opportunity in itself. Total earnings here, as you can see, over $18,000 I've earned in the last several years. And if we go down here, and I can share with you guys, don't want to share too much sensitive information here, but so total referrals, 705 people I've personally referred to this platform, and many of which are pro members. I would say I probably earn about $1,000 a month with this platform. It just helps to cover costs. Businesses have costs, obviously, and this just helps to cover those costs. And I've got 5,778 people in my team. So I'm very passionate about this little toolbox. It's a whole set of tools. You have a drag and drop editor that you can build pages. You have built-in templates that you can use to get yourself started, or you can use my share codes that I've provided just to sort of hammer out your pages, your funnels, lead capture pages, or whatever. And then right on the same platform here, you can actually advertise. As you notice these advertisements over here, this is are people on the platform who are advertising their businesses. You can do the same. So it's basically a traffic exchange. So in other words, you're exchanging credits. So the more ads that you view, all right. So when you view other people's ads, you get credits. And then what you do initially is you have to set up your own ads. Okay, so the more people the more ads you surf of other people's ads, the more credits you earn, and then in turn that you get hits and traffic on views onto your websites that you've added into the advertising platform. But there are two options here. If I just zoom in here, where it says advertising under traffic, okay. If you're a free member, you can advertise your business. So as I say, there's a lot of value here that there's so much you can do as a free member. You can come in here, you can check it out, see what you get as a free member. There's a little presentation of what you can get. So even free members can advertise their business. But what you need to do as a free member is you need to constantly, every single day, come in here and view maybe 10, 20 ads or whatever. I think you have to view about 40 or 50 ads in the beginning just to unlock this as a free member to get it going. All right. And then once you've done that, you can just repeat it every day, 10 ads a day or whatever. And that'll keep enough credits so that, your websites constantly get eyeballs onto your pages, onto your offer. And if you're overwhelmed and thinking, well, I don't know how to set up a website. Number one, we have a great drag and drop editor, so no coding necessary. But we also have templates in here. But in addition to that, I'm giving out lots of share codes. Okay, so little share codes like lead capture pages, splash pages, redirect pages. Like thank you pages and stuff. You've got email follow-up messages and sequences, and other tools as well. And you can obviously watch. Where is it? Yeah, watch my video here just so that you know how to set this up. But bearing in mind, guys, you on every page you actually get little mouse over question marks just to learn a few things. You also get the tutorial. This is a unique tutorial to each page. So depending on what page you're on, you click the tutorial and you're presented with the necessary items here just to help you. And you've also got a little searchable database there. So you've got everything you need there. Also, I provide a full-blown video training. Okay, it's like a video course here. Okay, all these links will be below, but you can also get all these same links simply from this one page here, which will be in the links below. So, for example, it says access the LeadsLeap training. By clicking that, you will actually get to this right here. And it goes through the list manager, page manager, reviews, how to set up your ads, image ad creation, and so on, how to make money, everything. All right. So I've covered everything in that. So I'm giving a lot of different little bits of value here. There's little lead magnets, PDF downloads that you can use and use as lead magnets to help you grow your mailing list, because it's all about building value. It's not just about pitch or advertise. There's a difference between advertising and building a relationship. Okay, so this will help you to give out little offers, freebies, just to nurture your list so that people can feel more comfortable about reaching out to you, and build up that relationship. More value here that you can use, but I'll put the links below and you can go through these pages. But basically, guys, I just wanted to do this video simply because I wanted to welcome the new people aboard, and let people know that this platform is just part of my toolbox, and I find it an essential tool to help people to build whatever business they're promoting. I love it because it helps me to build my LiveGood business. And one thing that I've seen people ask is that, they ask the question, like, are we allowed to advertise our LiveGood business? The answer is no, not really, no. But that's not what I'm doing here. What I'm doing is I'm not advertising directly to LiveGood. Okay. That's the difference. I see a lot of people actually advertising their LiveGood link, and really they shouldn't be doing that. But the reason why they're getting away with it is because you're not going to get a whole vast hammering of leads and eyeballs onto your pages. So you're basically safe. However, this is not good practice anyway. As a marketer, you should be building your mailing list. This is the first step. Okay. And there's a real journey here, So you start with building your mailing list. And what's the purpose of that? Is you're building a list to work with. Okay, that's network marketing, guys. People, even leaders frown upon what I'm doing, but they frown upon what I'm doing because they don't know what I'm doing. But what I'm doing is very similar to what any network marketer is doing. I'm just simply building my contact list. That's what I'm doing. And, this allows me to build that contact list. You can actually build your contact list as a free member on this platform. You don't have to pay anything. It's all here, the list manager. You go to the list manager and you start building your contact list. But people say, well, I want an autoresponder. Autoresponders are great, and I use them. However, people know that you're using an autoresponder. Okay, so if you're only just kind of relying on your autoresponder, and you're not kind of nurturing and supporting your list, and you're just advertising and pitching, and hammering out you're doing the same as every other marketer. And most people will just ignore you. They'll block you. And you just need to get above that noise and be a friendly person of value, so that people are more likely to be ready to network with you. All right, they've got their own businesses, they've got their own focuses. What makes them to want take an interest in what you're doing is because of the value that you're providing, not the pitches. Forget about pitching people. Forget about just advertising your link directly. Build your mailing list. So here's the scenario. You set up a lead capture page. Okay. So pick one of these. Okay. And it provides kind of, maybe an offer. You can edit them in the drag and drop editor. Gives them some curiosity. They're ready to sort of check out what you've got. And on the next page, you could use one of these thank you pages. Sure. But my advice is what I'm doing now is using something like this page, simply because they don't have that immediate button to click on to go to the LiveGood website. You might think that this is counterproductive, but actually what it does is it actually allows your potential signups to be kind of forced to activate their mailing list, because they have to click a link on the first email that comes to verify that they're happy to receive ongoing emails from you. So rather than giving, setting up a page like this, you can still use these pages, but if, what I sometimes do is I actually delete the button so they can't actually go any further, but instead give something generic. That's why I think these are great, because you can give them a free download or something, or even don't even give them the free download. Advertise something like one of these, but don't give them the download yet until they've verified their email on the first email that comes by clicking the link. And then the first email that comes, the actual email that comes after that, after they verify the email, that's the email that has the link that goes to allow them to download the value, but also allows them to learn a little bit more about the LiveGood business, or maybe not even promote LiveGood yet. Maybe day 1 or day 2 of your emails go out and talk about LiveGood. But maybe even sometimes I reckon the first 7 days is just the opportunity for you to warm your list up, and then after 7 days, if you're sending out an email every single day for the first 7 days, and all those emails are just sort of giving out value, supporting them, being true to your promise, because you've already made a promise to them to provide the value that they're looking for, and you've fulfilled that promise, and you've provided the value and support. And then after a while, you're warming your list up, and maybe after the seven days or whatever, then you can start talking about LiveGood, but in a way that you're telling your story rather than thrusting an ad in front of them. Okay, so you're telling the story and said, these tools have helped me to build up a team in a company that I'm promoting, and if you're keen to learn a little bit more about what I'm promoting, then check out this on this link here. But talk about your story first. Say these tools have been great for me. I'm using these tools to help me build my LiveGood business, or help me build a business that has already grown really, really well, and I'm doing well. I've already built it up to the silver level or whatever. Or if you haven't built it up at all, and if you're brand new to LiveGood or whatever, talk about your sponsor. Talk about me or whatever. Talk about some success in the industry. And for me, LeadsLeap has helped me to build my my LiveGood business. Obviously, not solely. I do YouTube, I do Facebook, I do Messenger, I do Instagram and other things, and you should be doing all those things as well. But this is just extra. But yeah, this has helped me. I've had signups by doing it this way, absolutely, and I've made some not only signups, but I continue to support those team members who are doing well in my team, who initially came from as a cold lead. So I've built up relationships by doing it this way. All right. So anyway, I don't want to make this video too long, but there's a lot of value here, and I don't want to overwhelm people. But anyway, hope you like this video. Give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and look forward to sharing out more videos on this channel. And so see you in the next video. Okay. Thanks a lot. Thanks, guys. Bye for now.